Castaway Bay.
Oh, I'm feeling bad.
Whoa! Are you so excited, Emma?
Of course I am.
Hey! He's dead. Romantic.
I really just almost ran my head into your knee.
I hope my GoPro survives.
Bye.
Okay, we're about to head out. Max and Emma are heading back to Michigan, and Dylan and I are heading back to Ohio. We're in Ohio? Okay, anyways, we're about to head out.
I love you, I respect you, and I want you to like, comment, and subscribe, or I'm gonna... Alright, actually we lied. We're just hitting up the arcade now. I'm Max, and this is my calling. I love arcades. I actually have a love-hate with arcades. Also, I have a hardcore passion for Candy Crush. So like, this is my game right here. Space Invaders. As you can see, they have a pretty sizable arcade. It's about half the size of Kalahari's, I'd say. It seems to be a running theme here. Cheeseless pizza.
I'm allergic to cheese.
After he ate a piece of half.
I'm using that as the last scene in my video. I don't care. It's just us walking out. Like, I got allergic to cheese. You just threw all of the crust away.
Yeah,
that was the only part you.
He literally ate a piece and a half before he pulled off the cheese. Bye guys. See you at Cedar Point opening day. Peace. Wait, don't leave me! Bye.